In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Gmail storage. It might seem like a tricky thing to find, but you'll soon see it's a lot easier than you might think. So stick with me, and in just a few moments you'll know exactly how to get this done. First things first, you'll want to open up Gmail. So go ahead and log into your account. For this, you can use any web browser on your computer or even access it via the Gmail app on your smartphone. But for now, we're focusing on the desktop version, as it's often easier to navigate for this particular task. Once you have Gmail open and ready, your eyes will naturally land on what's called the main dashboard. This is basically your home base in Gmail, where all your emails land and where you can access different functions that help you manage your communications. As you make yourself comfortable with this view, direct your attention to the bottom left side of the screen. This is where the magic happens with regards to your storage. You should see a bar down there. It might be easy to overlook because it sits humbly below all your email folders and labels, but once you know it's there, it becomes a useful tool. The storage bar is not just a simple graphic on your screen. It gives you real-time information about your Gmail account's storage. By taking a quick glance, you can see exactly what percentage of your available storage you're currently using. It's laid out as a neat bar that gets progressively filled based on your usage. Next to it, you'll also notice text detailing that percentage, which is a very straightforward way of understanding your storage status. Knowing your storage limit is helpful because Gmail has a cap, shared with other Google services like Google Drive and Google Photos. Once you understand where your storage usage stands, you can make informed decisions if you need to free up space or purchase additional storage from Google. This particular design feature is meant to be easy and unobtrusive, providing constant awareness without intrusive notifications. We've become accustomed to daily updates and pop-ups in our digital lives, but Gmail takes a more passive approach until you approach your limit, which is refreshing. Now that you've found the storage bar and know how to check your percentage used, you're prepared to manage your Gmail storage more effectively. This way, you avoid disruptions that might happen if your storage cap is unexpectedly maxed out. That wraps up our guide today. Remember, just look to the bottom left of your Gmail dashboard whenever you want a quick glimpse into your storage status. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!